I started getting this warning in my car. So it says low washer. So I know that's windshield wiper fluid or windshield washer fluid. So I am trying to be more proactive and be better about changing things myself and fixing parts of my car myself. So I bought this windshield wiper solution. So let's see how it works. I'm going to go ahead and add it to the car. So I was looking for windshield and washer fluid. This one actually came highly recommended. So this is a windshield washer fluid, and it's actually a 2-in-1. It has the washer fluid, but it's also a bug remover. So you know, if you get the stubborn bugs on your windshield, it's hard to get them off, right? So this will help with that. I just wish it was kind of a little more full. Like this is how I got it, but I'm assuming it's to help you pour, which I think that's kind of a good thing. So just keep in mind that this is how you're gonna get it. It's not gonna be filled to the brim, but this looks really good. It has a methanol-free concentrate formula. But yes, cuts dirt, grime, and bugs, eliminates smearing and line clock age. I do like that this has corrosion inhibitors just to make sure that everything in your engine is going to be good and it's not going to get damaged. So I thought that was really cool in protecting the metals. So really excited to take a look. I'm going to actually pour this in my car. Let's go check it out. Okay, so I have the hood up in my car. I have an Infiniti G37 Sport. So you can see right here is where I put the windshield washer fluid, and I was getting that alert, so I know it's really low. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop this off and we're going to fill it up. And I recommend if you have a funnel, like I have this little one, that just makes it a little bit easier. But I do appreciate that, again, it actually wasn't full to the top because I think that would have made it a little bit harder to get it in the funnel. So we'll go ahead and pour slowly in there. Just drinking that right up. Okay, so we are all set. So I'm going to go ahead and put the lid back on and we are good to go, but she is now full. Okay, so I'm just having it clean my windshield a little bit now that I have fluid in here, and I want to see if it is leaving streaks or not. And so far, so good. Yeah, that actually looks great. You can see there that it is a nice and clear windshield with no streaks. So final thoughts on this, I really do like it. Again, when I first got it, I'm like, wait, you're ripping me off because it wasn't filled all the way. But now I'm like, no, it just made it so it's easier to pour, which is appreciated. I have a funnel, so that made it really easy. So I recommend that you get one of those as well. I did test the streakiness of this and wasn't able to see any streaks. So the claim that it doesn't make streaks is very valid. Very, very good stuff. I like that it's made in the USA, good quality ingredients, and it will not damage your car. It will keep it nice and smooth and running and your windshield clean.